Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Second grade class. Today's lecture that is on page number 255, formation of an ester. As you know that we have studied the reaction of that about the carboxylic acid. The second one reaction in which the hydroxyl ion will be involved during the reaction of the carboxylic acid. Okay, now the ester formation, this is a reaction in which the mechanism of this reaction is different, and we must have to write them again and again, so that we will be able to write them in examination with fluency. Okay, first of all, as you know that whenever an acid reacts with the alcohol, it will form an ester and water in the presence of the sulfuric acid. Okay, now we will study about the mechanism of this reaction. As you know that here this is the carboxylic acid, and here is the proton that is come from the this acid. This will attach to this oxygen atom, and here the three bonds will be generated in the oxygen atom, therefore it contains the positive sign. Okay, in next step, that is on page number 256, you will see that the alcohol will attack to this intermediate, and as you know that here the partial negative charge is present, and here the partial positive, as you know that here the partial positive charge is present, therefore this oxygen atom will attack this carbon atom, and such like of the here this type of the intermediate will be formed. In the next step, hydrogen ion transfer. In this reaction, here the bond will be generated, and this bond will be break. Okay, and here the this hydrogen atom will be here the this water molecule will be removed, and in the next step, this hydrogen atom will removed, and our double bond will generate here, and therefore here ester will be formed, that is the ethyl acetate. Okay, and as you know that in fruits the esters are present, therefore there is a peculiar characteristics of peculiar taste of each fruit. In banana, that is the amyl acetate is present, jasmine, benzyl acetate, and these are important according to the objective point of view. In the next reaction, there is the formation of amide. In this reaction also the removal of the hydroxyl ion from the carboxylic acid, and in this reaction as you can see that what is the mechanism of the reaction. Here this carbon in this carbon atom, the oxygen atom, here this oxygen atom will the electrons of this carbon atom move towards this oxygen atom, therefore the partial negative charge is generated, and on this carbon atom partial positive charge will be generated. As you know that the amide group, ammonia group, it contains the one lone pair, therefore it moves towards this this deficient carbon atom, and here a bond will be generated, and in the next step the proton transfer will be formed. Here you can say that this proton NH3, one proton will move towards this hydroxyl ion, and here in the next step the water will be removed, and this oxygen atom which contains the negative charge, it will move to its electron towards this carbon atom, therefore ester amide will be generated. Okay, and the formation of acid and hydride, whenever we're talking about, as you know that whenever the two carboxylic acid, they are combined together in the presence of P2O5, they will generated acetic and hydride, and here the one water molecule will be generated, and acetic anhydride that will be formed. And in the next reaction, as you know that we are studying about the different types of the reaction in carboxylic acid. Therefore, this is the third type of the reaction in which this carbonyl compound will be involved in the reactions. And these are the two types of the reaction in which the carboxyl group of the carboxyl group will be involved in the partial reduction of alcohol and the complete reduction of the alkanes. In this reaction, there is the generation of the alcohol. In the first one reaction, where the partial reduction of the alcohol, there is the alcohol will be the formed, and in the next reaction, where the complete reduction to alkanes, there is the alkanes will be formed. Okay, these are the reaction in which the carboxylic acid differently reacted, because in these reaction the different type of the involvement of the different type of the, just like in first reaction the removal of the hydrogen, and in second reaction the removal of the hydroxyl ion, and third reaction there will be the involvement of the carbonyl group which is present inside the carboxylic acid. This is all about today's lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.